This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Thermostat replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the nut on the negative battery cable clamp, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chalk the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack positioned under the subframe. Place the jack stands under the reinforced portion of the unibody seam, then lower the jack. Cooling system draining. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield. Place a drain pan under the radiator drain fitting. Open the drain fitting and allow the coolant to drain completely. When it has completely drained, turn the drain valve clockwise to close it. Reinstall the under-vehicle splash shield. Raise the car with the floor jack, then pull the jack stands out and slowly lower the car. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Release the parking brake. Remove the air intake duct. Squeeze the clamp on the upper radiator hose to release it, then slide it back on the hose. Detach the upper radiator hose from the inlet housing. Squeeze the hose clamp on the lower radiator hose, then detach the hose from the thermostat housing. Remove the bolts securing the bracket to the thermostat housing. Then remove the remaining bolts holding the housing in place. Now remove the thermostat housing and thermostat and separate the thermostat from the housing. Install the new O-ring seal over the thermostat and insert the flange of the thermostat into the groove. Make sure the jiggle pin is positioned in the cutout area of the seal. Install the thermostat with the jiggle pin positioned at the top. Install the thermostat housing and bolts. Snug the bolts up with a ratchet. Tighten the thermostat housing bolts to the specified torque setting. Reconnect the radiator hose to the thermostat housing, then slide the clamp into place. Using a screwdriver, release the keeper on the clamp to allow the clamp to snap back into place. Install the brackets and bolts. Tighten the bolts securely. Install the upper radiator hose and position the clamp. Use the screwdriver to release the clamp and allow it to snap into place. Install the air intake duct. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely. Cooling system filling. Remove the overflow tank lid and install a funnel. Slowly fill the tank with the correct mixture of coolant and water to the min mark. Remove the radiator cap and install a radiator funnel adapter. A standard funnel will do if you don't have access to a radiator funnel setup. Fill the radiator with the correct type of coolant. Keep adding fluid until it stops bubbling. If the coolant you are using is not pre-mixed, Follow the directions on the bottle to properly mix the right amount of coolant to water. When the system is full, remove the funnel and reinstall the radiator cap. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position, then start the engine. Raise the engine speed to approximately 1500 RPM until the radiator fan comes on 2 times. Turn the engine off and allow it to cool down completely. Remove the radiator cap and add more coolant if necessary. Add coolant to the coolant reservoir until the level is 1/2 inch above the min mark. Then repeat this process of starting the engine.